guys, it's Mike,
Holly, and Chelsea.
and we've got a new game to play today called Burping Bobby. Do you need to thank Goliath for sending this free game to us? Thank you guys.
Thank you. So here is Bobby. He's a cute hippo who we're going to have to feed and hope he doesn't burp on us, which actually the burping seems like a really fun part, but if he burps during your turn, that's a bad thing.
So not only does he burp with the sound, he sprays water.
But it's kind of like a burp
Mist.
dusting.
Okay, so this is for, where are you? 2 to 4 players and ages 4 and up. Okay, so we do need to load him up with some water. It does come with a little pipette.
Yep.
You pull the ear. It says both, one or other. Oh, yep, okay. Either ear you
It's
can
kind of
pull
like
off.
a plug.
Yep.
And then you just insert the water into the ear.
Put those back in, and then we are ready to play.
Okay, so on your turn, it's youngest goes first, but I'm gonna go first this time. You randomly select one of the food tokens from the table, and if you pick the wrong food, so I'm gonna say I'm gonna choose garlic, onion, cola, cheese, pizza, or beans. And if I pick the right one, then I get those points. If I pick the wrong one, I have to feed it to Bobby and turn the crank however many numbers are on the token. So I'm gonna guess beans. Let's see if I get points or if I have to feed it to him. I got cheese. I have to feed him 2 and crank it 2 times. So you put it on.
Oh, wait, you gotta turn him on, because I did not.
That helps.
There you go.
All right, so I have to put it in his mouth.
Wait, maybe I didn't. Yeah, okay. there
What?
you go. He wasn't making the
He's
noise.
being finicky. All right.
Isn't this like...
And then I have to crank it 2 full times. There you go, yum yum. 1, 2. Whew,
Okay.
he didn't burp on me.
I guess
So pick
All
one
right,
of those
pick
things.
a token. What do you think you might get?
cola.
Cola. Let's see. Oh,
Oh, you
you
got it
get
right.
3 points. Now, she gets to keep her token as points, and she guessed cola, and it has cola on it. And then at the end of the game, whoever has the most points is the winner. If Bobby burps on your turn, you lose your highest point token.
And the game stops.
And then the game
when
stops.
When he burps,
yes.
the game stops.
So you don't really want him to burp on you. So yeah,
I
make sure
already
you
messed
keep
up.
your token.
Pizza. No,
That
that's
is
garlic.
onion.
Oh, it's onion?
Yeah, garlic looks like this with the little green. So
Oh,
you have
and
to do it 3 times. 3. It said 3.
Not paying attention.
You have to look at the number.
1, 2, 3.
All right. I'm gonna say pizza. Oh, I got garlic.
Oh
And I got 1. That's not so bad. So you put it in. When you put it on his tongue and then close his mouth, it kind of like drops down inside of him. See? It's gone. 1 crank. Whew. All right, Chelsea.
no. Oh boy. I'm gonna guess pizza.
Uh-oh. Onion.
1.
1 time. That's not so bad.
Is that 1?
Nope, all the way
All the
around.
way.
1 more click.
It actually has a little arrow on the side that you're supposed to do 1 full crank, and then the arrows match up. So
Cheese.
That you know.
Hey!
Oh, yay. Oh, Mommy's the only one without points. Let's see. I'll say beans. Oh, cheese.
Oh no!
Oh.
Wait, how many does it say?
1. That's not so bad.
Wait.
Oh, wait. It's Chelsea's turn. Okay, which one?
What is that?
Beans.
Beans.
Beans. You
Jeez.
got it!
Okay, I'll
Woo!
go pizza.
Chelsea's gonna be a winner, I tell
garlic.
ya. How many times?
3.
Oh no. He's gotta be getting pretty full. Oh! Oh man, look at that burp. Wowzers.
I'm still not done
he's
yet.
still going. So Daddy only had 1 token.
Yeah.
So he loses his token, which makes Chelsea the winner.
Wow. Also, something you can do with this if you want to like up the game some is you could pour some vinegar in with the water also to get the smell.
Make it stinky.
So then he would have a stinky burp.
Look at that. That is quite
And it is
impressive.
the finest mist too. Like your hand just slightly gets a little wet, so it's not spitting water everywhere. It's just a very, very fine mist.
So you can just press his tongue and he keeps doing it. Oh, that's so cool. And I like how it has like the green light to make it really seem like
Okay,
it's
do
got
we want
that
to play one more quick
stinky
round?
effect.
Yes.
All right.
One more round.
Mix them up. Mommy will say, I'll do garlic. Oh, yes.
Okay, Chelsea.
I'm guessing beans. Yes.
Ooh.
Pizza.
Oh.
Beans. 1.
All right, I'll say onion. Oh, yay, got it again. Mommy's doing
I'll
good this round.
say cola. Yes.
Oh, I'm not even gonna try. Cheese. Oh!
Oh, yay. I'll say pizza. Oh, beans, and I have to do 2 cranks.
No, he didn't eat mine.
1, 2.
I'm gonna guess cheese. No.
Oh,
Pizza.
How many cranks do you have to do?
3.
Oh,
Oh, no.
So open up.
That's a lot.
Here you go, buddy.
1, 2, 3.
is it all to go all the way to 3?
Well, yeah, that's fine. Okay, Daddy.
Pizza. Yep.
Yay. I'll do garlic again. Ah, cola. 2 cranks. 1, 2.
I'm gonna guess
Cheese. Oh,
No,
pizza.
I get that. I guess I get the last one. Onion. Oh. Oh, wait. She's got to do her thing, so I guess that doesn't...
So, yeah, let's see.
I'm probably gonna get spit.
Two full cranks. 1. Keep going. 1 more. 2. Oh, you did it.
I got mine wrong because I said onion and it's cola and it's a 3.
3. Daddy. All right, so you would lose your highest number token. You would lose your highest number token, which is 3, so you only have 1 point. Chelsea has 4, and I have 4, so you and I are tied.
Okay, so there's a look at Burping Bobby. Thanks for watching,
Be
guys.
sure to thumbs up and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
You got to do the cranks.
Crank, 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 crank. There you go.